Hey YouTubers, this is Jedi Zep 13. I just got my Lee Classic Turk press about 2 weeks ago. I got 500 rounds of 40 cal casings from Starline and 500 rounds of bullets. This is my first video. I'm just starting to get into the whole reloading process. Trying to find some powder and primers, but this is my setup so far. I got into this with a family friend. I split the cost on this bullet press. Seems to be pretty good quality. Haven't really had a chance to work it to its full extent yet because I don't have all the components. But as soon as I do, I'll post another video. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube about reloading, and I have plenty of questions still, and hopefully I'll get them answered, and maybe I'll be able to help somebody out as far as a newbie to this whole concept. But anyway, this is my start. This is what I got going on.